Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today we are here, located in the Enterprise area, in the southwest Las Vegas Valley. And the name of this neighborhood in the southwest here is the Hartford by Richmond American Homes. And this is the Seth model here. And this is one of their larger models. Now this is a 3,000 square feet home. And property does features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage, covered patio. But you can literally go all the way up to 6 bedrooms if you want. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna take a look. Just kind of wanted to show you around here real quick. It's a little bit windy today. HOAs are about $56. They don't have that many lots left, but figured might as well just show you guys the property here. Alright, so let's go inside. We got some pavers here. Nice 8-foot door. You got the doorbell right there. As you can see, it comes with a rekey. As we enter the property, immediately to my left, we have the dining, or you have an option for den here. Take a look, you got the dual pane windows with the low E. They're vinyl, bright white. Orange peel texture with the bullnose, two-tone. You have 6 inches on the baseboards. Now the baseboards here are custom baseboards right here. That, folks, would definitely be an upgrade. Also the tile, porcelain tile, 12 by 24 inches with a 3-inch stagger. I'm sorry, not 3-inch, but 3/8. All right, let's take a look down here. Off to the right, we do have the garage. Looks like the home has been upgraded with all 6-panel doors and 8-foot doors too as well. Coming back here, we have our half bath. Typically, this would just be a pedestal sink right here. That's some nice wallpaper. Okay. You got 2.5 inches on the casings on the doors. Off to the right, we have a optional bedroom. I believe on this one we can actually turn into a suite with a full bathroom downstairs. But on this one, they made a office. Not bad. We do got 9-foot ceilings here. And normally with this builder you would do 8-foot ceilings, but then you would have to upgrade to 9. Oh, it looks like there were some problems here at one point. I don't know if you guys can see this here. And I don't want to say some problems, but I don't know if you guys can see this angle here on this paint job. See that? So as I was walking, I see this little circle here that tells me that they had to recut this open and they redid it. But as you can see, the paint strokes just from the lighting. And one thing I forgot to mention was the price on here, the base price. Base price on this model is $4,950. Off to the left here, we got the doorbell and also for the alarm. Home does come smoke detectors equipped. Beautiful open floor plan. So it looks like you're gonna put your dining room table here down the middle, which is, I guess it is kind of cool. The cabinets have been upgraded to 42 upper cabinets. And I believe with this builder, you do get the 42 upper cabinets, but it's gonna be the maple cabinets. Now this one does have an upgrade with the light rail and also the LED lights underneath as well. You have quartz countertop, two-tone with the cabinets, white, full overlays, but these are actually shakers. And you have some nice pulls, MDS with some side glides, staple cabinets, which is fine at this price point. Alright, The home does come equipped with appliances. However, this package appliance right here is an upgrade, folks. You can definitely do the cafe, and you do have different color choice package to choose from. So this is a double stack oven. Okay, it's pretty cool. Let's go with the walk-in pantry. Total of 4 shelves here. Not bad. You got the 36-inch GE cook countertop. You got the microwave in the hood right above. So this one right here looks like the elbow has not been connected for the exhaust. Now with this builder, they charge you a upgrade to do a structural for this to exhaust out. If not, it's going to circulate back into your home, which I would highly recommend that you do that. I do love the fact that they have a window right here for in front of the sink actually. So you got an undermounted sink with stainless steel, dual basin. And I love how this basin right here separates, and it's pretty low. So it's not all the way to the top, so I do like that. Now with this builder, you definitely do have a lot of upgrades and options. Let's see what we have here. Looks like 1 horsepower on the garbage disposal. You got the hot and cold valve right here. And it looks like this is controlled by a touch switch for the sink. Nope, it's not working. So let's come down here, see what we got. So this is going to be your living room. On this model, looks like they do have the surround sounds, the 5.0. Oh, what are you doing here, Rudy? Oh, my bad. So we have a nice 12-foot slide. These are actually aluminum slides. This is actually an upgrade right here. You'd have to structurally frame this out, so this could get pretty pricey. Looks like the standard right here is the 6-foot vinyl slide. So let's go outside. Okay. I don't know, I always have problems with these doors. Here we go. See, as you can see, the quality of this is just not as great. And also what you're gonna have to look out for is you can like literally lift this thing up and slide it. So if you're in the outside, or if you are outside, you can literally palm this up and slide it up. So you have to have some sort of brace on that. Now this right here, let's take a look at this. You can just hear the mechanism on here and see how quality this slide is. And look at this glide on here. You mind if I open this up, Rudy? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I just don't want to come in your house and start, doing whatever's, So on this one, you do have a view fencing for this lot. So the average lot size on this one right here is probably going to be about 7,000 square feet. Covered patio in the back here. You have 2 options. You can do a half or you can do a full. These things can run you up to $12,000. It looks like we do have the traditional tiles here, the flat traditional. You got the fascia boards on here. Okay. Synthetic grass. Let's come along this side here. Feels good to open this thing up. The weather's great today. Feels real good. Well, I don't like the fact that this retaining wall is so far up. I definitely would like to have this retaining wall back more, but it might just be for the model. Let's go back inside here. Love the railing here. Now with the railing, you're gonna have so many selections and options with this builder that you can pick. Also, they're gonna charge you for the color, the staining too as well. I believe these are 48 inches wide. You got 4 steps before you come up to a landing. Then you got another like 12 steps, okay? And on this structural, for the railing here, you can stop it here or go all the way around, which I prefer to go all the way around. I do love this loft that takes you right into the master. 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. You do have a thermostat here, and I'm out of breath. Whew. Let me catch my breath. Now this is a pretty large bedroom here. Look how large these nightstands are. You got the king size bed. TV's gonna go right there. So it looks like you have 2 Cat 6 and a jack for your TV. Here's the bathroom spa. So this is one combo that a lot of people do. You can do the tub shower combo. I love the pan here, the way that it was designed. Some of the tile work is not lined up, it looks like. That's okay, it's not a big deal. You got Delta fixtures. I never understood why even have this glass door right here. I would get rid of this. You got your water closet. Here's your closet. Okay. I love the fact that they do build you shelves now here. I think that's pretty cool for standard. You do got the herringbone 12 by 24 on the tile here. Here's your second closet. Love the fact that you do have the attic access right there too as well, so that's pretty cool. You got the 1/2 inch on the bull nose for the drywall. Now some of this drywall stuff, you can kind of see where the seams are at. So when you're walking and you're doing your orientation, make sure to look down all the drywall, especially where the seams are at. You got 36 inches on the vanity, which is really nice. You got the quartz under-mounted sink and the Delta brushed nickel. And you got some upgrades on the fixtures here. Alright, let's come down this way. Let's go into the... Oh, you know what? Let's walk this way a little bit. Kind of get this from a different angle. So all the windows here are equipped with free wire alarm system. However, that's going to be an upgrade, folks. You do have your your filters right here. Off to the left, we have a bathroom. A couple upgrades and options that was done here, and I would highly recommend it. 36 on the cabinets, 2 sinks for sure. Definitely something I would do. Again, you got the 12 by 24 on the tile. Beautiful tub. The aqua tub. Then again, you got the 12 by 24 on the tile. However, these are actually 10 by 36 on the tile. I'm sorry. Now, one thing I would do, instead of the shower rod, get rid of the shower rod and do the sliding glass doors. Okay. Let's go back this way. See what else we got. So we got one room here, another room here, and another room here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here. So we had the master's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that bedroom downstairs, the office, could have been another bedroom, right? Because on this one you can actually have total 6 bedrooms. Oh, look at the mountain views from here. Now we are located far southwest. This is basically the last community on planet Earth. Okay? Blue Diamond is right here. Now, all your shopping is going to be more east, but all the shopping has not grown all the way out to blue diamond out here yet, okay? But eventually it will. Now this is a pretty large room right here. I'm gonna say that this room is 15, probably by 12. Now the standard with this builder, on the floor you're gonna get 17 by 17 ceramic tile only in the wet areas. The wet areas consist of the laundry room, the bathroom, and also the kitchen. Not the full kitchen now. This bedroom is probably 12 by 13. Let's take a look here. Love the fact that the air conditioning is with the jumper ducts, which is really nice. Or the transfer ducts. Laundry room. Washer and dryer. You have an option to buy it through the builder. That's if you choose to. Love the fact that they do have a drain pan just in case if this thing leaks. You have 30 inches on the upper cabinets here. Okay. You would actually just have a shelf. Let's take a look here. Upgraded on the sink, structural and sink has been upgraded. And also the cabinets as well. But most importantly, let's see if we can take a look. So we have a 36-inch panel. I don't know if there's actually a Smurf tube. We're going to peek inside. Yeah, so we have a Smurf tube down to the D mark, so that is a plus. Good job, guys. What do we have here? Okay, closet. Coming into the last bedroom now. Now this is the smallest bedroom out of them all. Okay. This is probably 12 by 10. This one has a walk-in closet. Now if you guys are thinking about purchasing a home here in Las Vegas, don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. It is a great website to get started, to look at brand new homes and also resale homes. Also, if you click in the link in the description below, there's also a link for our website for brand new homes. If you guys just want to search only brand new homes, okay? Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. If you can see yourself living here, okay? If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Hit that notification button because we upload videos on a daily basis. Also give us a thumbs up. Other than that, until next time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day, folks.